Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are playing Build Battle with Evie and well, like not Build Battle, like Build Battle in Minecraft, like a Build Battle and Build a Boat for Treasure. And I'm playing with Melina and Evie.
Evie! He's 7. My sister's... Yeah, her sister doesn't really like to be on the videos that much. Oof. She texted me and said that she doesn't want to be in a video.
Why do you need a text when you're literally like in the same house?
My sister Lily said, yeah, when it's nighttime and we were in a different room, Lily texted me in the middle of the night, like, hey, can you tell Melina and Kayla that I want to be in any more like YouTube videos? And I'm like, so okay.
Meh.
So, I hear it.
Meh.
Meh. I just by the way, all the videos with Yvette in it got taken down for some reason. We don't know. They just got taken down. So, but only we can see every one. I'm making a ninja house.
No seconds, I can pull it up.
Oh jeez, what kind of trailer is that? Yeah, what kind of trailer? Whoa! What type of trailer is that? What are you booting? Tiny, no matter. Oh, I thought you were asking me. What are you building?
This
I'm building
thing.
a tiny box.
This
No, that's
thing,
it. We
whatever.
can get one because
Hey.
you're building a what?
Why does, like, whenever I do something, you guys want to copy it for some reason?
No, I'm making a better house. I'm making an upside down house.
Ugh.
Oh gosh. A house that was completely upside down. Oh my god.
What's going on?
Nice.
I just need one more piece of metal. Where? I just need one more piece of metal and then literally. Actually, no, I wasn't saying. I meant like I need a piece of metal so I can have my 100. Cool. Everyone, if you want a sword, take off the back. If you want a gun, take off. Are we going to war or something? Yeah. Because also, guys, we were playing this game before, and we were playing this game, and there was those people on Global Team, and then they went on like. Okay, people. Well, you tell them, okay? Yeah. So she got into a fight with them, and yeah.
Well, technically, I liked the way they played, so I kind of wanted to be friends with them, actually.
But then they were basically, oh my gosh, my tail just got stuck with the tail. Okay, I keep on getting stuck with my tail. Because your tail's too long, that's why. Excuse me. Says the one who's a cat that has a longer tail than me. Says the one who's a devil has a pointy tail. Excuse me, if you talk about my tail. Yes, I talk about people's tails. Okay, so, I have a little Oh, I'm gonna need to add a hat, but the thing about it is, relaxing.
They're just talking while I'm just focused on building.
I forgot that my house is supposed to be upside down.
And guys, I'm kind of tired. So that's why I'm not building as fast. But I still want to make a YouTube video for you guys.
You guys are going all fancy while I'm just building a really simple. I'm just building a box bowl and you guys are going like full out like fancy while I'm being like, excuse me? Art and texture are the best you can do. You're like, oh, look at my bowl is so fancy, fancy. And then you look at that straight up next. Excuse me. You can do it and compete with your sister, okay? I play with your sister a lot. Gee.
Sassy, moody, nasty.
Oh gosh. You don't need any TikTok on this video, do we?
It's not a
No.
TikTok. It's not a TikTok. It's actually a song in real life.
My bow is a death.
It's actually a song in real life called Savage.
Look at my bow.
Well, like,
bow is
I think it's called
savage.
Savage.
It is called Savage, Kayla.
There's like two different Savages, like Savage.
I know. You don't need copyright strikes on this video, kids.
I'm not copywriting. I'm doing it by myself. See? Dude.
If that is a human or a dinosaur, I'm just not gonna ask if that's a guy.
Yeah, you better not.
Is that a human or a dinosaur? Honestly, that kind of looks like a dinosaur.
Are you a dog or a human? Kind of both.
I'm a devil. What are you saying? I ain't. You back up.
Double my butt.
Don't you hurt. Don't you dare shoot her. You're lucky. You missed completely. Be quiet.
Okay, so I should either put it right here, right here, right here, and right here for the windows. Let me see
Okay,
if
you
I
know what?
have
I'm
enough.
gonna stop because I don't feel like this anymore. I need to go back. One.
Hashtag rage quitter.
Excuse me, Taylor.
Is that some height? Yeah, some height.
I have a son that says
I swear I have so many of these like blocks that are just like
okay, I think I
okay.
yeah, that's what you put. I have first wheel.
Nice, I have 3.
Boy, I got first wheel.
I have 3
Okay, I'm
Yvette
set up.
and
Is Kayla's boat a glass boat or something? I don't know. Let me see. Oh gosh! It looks like a beautiful piece of art. Bravo, bravo. Kayla's boat looks better. Kayla, you say you don't have a lot of pieces, huh?
I don't. I'm using like every single last
Excuse me,
piece.
look at this.
I'm using every single last piece.
And now look at my table.
What, you said a trailer?
Now this is a trailer.
Do you even know what a trailer is?
Yeah, I know what a trailer is.
What?
It's a movie trailer. I meant a movie trailer. A movie trailer? I'm kidding, jeez. Well, this can be like, you know what? Make this an ad. Make this an ad for 2020.
Sorry, Kat.
Come and get your votes.
Sorry, Kat. I'm not rich. Maybe if you have enough money, maybe you could do that by yourself.
Yeah, we're not paying for your ad, for your vote. Excuse me, was I asking you to?
Kinda, yeah.
Yes. No, I wasn't.
You kinda
said-
were.
You said pay for my No, I didn't. I said. What is this? I said.
Because you don't listen.
I said make this an ad of 2020. Come on.
Come on basically means like you over here.
Oh yeah, just go. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? I'm sorry, just release that. Novita. Oh my gosh. Say that again. You will not.
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad.
Why don't I live on? I'm going to die now. I submit that. How will I die? Okay, it's really annoying how you keep saying you're a devil. I think I know that you are, okay? Like
When
you
she's
are
really not.
Like I get it that you keep saying that and then you keep saying you're dead, but like literally each second you're bad.
Yeah, same.
I'm swimming in your boat, and that cat looks actually terrifying. That cat looks terrifying. Excuse me, what did you say? That looks terrifying.
One wall done. Actually, 3 walls done. Now time for the next one.
You make the kitty sad.
She loves cats, by the way. So, like, don't even,
Don't
like...
even mention it.
No, don't even, like, say anything bad about cats.
Yeah. I'm helping out Tails, but my phone sucks.
Yeah, she pretends to be a cat and, like, speaks in cat language.
Which
I wonder if she can actually speak cat, though.
sense? I wonder if I could. Guess what? So one time, I was at my uncle's house and he had some cats. Okay, so I meowed at one of the cats. The cat meowed right back to me. Like 1 second after I meowed to it.
Hey, get out.
Like, Kayla, it's okay if I stay here.
No.
She's going to hitchhike on your boat.
No, get out.
Ma'am, I'm looking for a job. Can I work here? This is not a job. This is a house under construction.
Yeah, same. This is a house under construction.
Hold on, like over here.
Okay, I'm gonna have to color the floor because it looks bland.
Evac! Can we just call you Evac to make life easier? No, Melina! I'm just joking, Evie. That's my sister's name. She's gonna get mad at me for that.
I bet you wanted your sister's name.
Excuse me. Can I come in? No! Let me in. Let me in, or else that's not.
You know, I'm just gonna.
Because I don't have a boat.
Yes, you do, Eva. I mean, Evie.
Going to lock up all these walls so she can't get in. Wow, the chicken.
Yvette! I mean, Evie.
You just called me my sister's name.
All my hard work went to waste. 5, 6.
Ow.
1, 2, 3, 4,
You
5,
launched
6,
it.
7, 8,
Look,
9,
it's loading.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, 14 by 6. Okay, 14 by 6 with corners and then
Sorry, I
that,
didn't know.
and then concrete. Okay. I think I got everything memorized. Thanks, Evie. Evie.
Anyways, we're going to try to end the episode here. Yeah, we'll make another episode later.
Yeah.
Yeah, so anyways, comment down below who do you think would have won this battle if Evie didn't launch it. Comment down below if you think I should have won. Comment down below if you think Kayla should have won because look how magnificent her build is.
I didn't even like finish.
Make sure you like and subscribe and
Turn on post notifications so you know when I post a video so you don't miss these epic videos. Maybe epic, maybe not epic to you, your opinion. Anyways, guys, that's it for the video. Bye, guys.
bye.
Evie!